So now we are seeing around 10,000 different debris flow simulation points. And so with this, we can see that the earlier and upper human structures are removed right away. And now we can see the bottom structures, even the ones that are hidden and shielded, are struggling here. However, the one that is hidden behind bedrock, the brown one, it looks like it's receiving about the same effects that were received from the earlier simulations. So I'd say that a shielded system, a human biosphere system such as a house or a concrete structure, if it was shielded appropriately, would probably do pretty well under these conditions. Okay, here's a simulation with multiple buildings that have been built in the pathway of a very large debris flow. And this is interesting because as you notice here, the building materials seem to compress the debris flow and create kind of a faster channelized physics kind of phenomenon where the two human structures to the left have been primarily missed by the debris flow. And it's only when it starts to build up and push up against it, or like right now, that we start to see some degradation of the structures. But I found this one interesting because of the compression and the velocity of the debris flow with the combined building materials from the upper structures helped keep the lower structures that were shielded from less damage, even though right now it looks like they did get some damage from collapse. Now we have multiple structures that were built on the edges of the valley or canyon to help maybe escape from such an event as this. So right now it looks like it's channelizing. And interestingly, the ones on the left the top left seem to have avoided initial break. Bottom left looks like the structures are being pushed into themselves again. But still it's channelized so much that it looks like a lot of the velocity and flow is heading right down the middle. However, I am observing some pressure, significant pressure on the left. And it looks like damage is more than it was when we had a bunch of buildings in the middle. So yeah, this is more significant damage. And it looks like to me that if I were building these structures, I probably would not build them close to the sides, just for the fact that it looks like a lot of the structure material got dragged down the hill and pushed into the sides and caused even more damage than if the buildings were in the middle in all one big lump and got pushed straight forward.